Welcome to Dori, the on-page sales agent that turns product questions into revenue. Let's get you set up in under 2 minutes.
Head to the Shopify App Store to get started.
Search for Dori, that's D-O-R-I. You'll see Dori, the on-page sales agent. Here's Dori. 2 powerful widgets, Sidekick for site-wide guidance, and Product Pal to stop product page bounces. Click Install App, approve the permissions, and Dori will install in seconds. Perfect. Dori's installed. Now let's activate your 2 widgets. First up, Sidekick, your floating AI sales assistant. Click Add Sidekick to Store to add your site-wide assistant. You'll be taken to your theme customizer. Dori Sidekick is already added and positioned. No coding needed. See that floating button? That's Sidekick. Click it to see how it helps customers. Looks perfect. Click Save to activate Sidekick on your live store. Great! Sidekick is active. Now let's add Product Pal, the widget that answers product questions right on your product pages. Click Add Product Pal to Product Pages to activate it on your product pages. You're now in the Product Page Editor. Product Pal is already added, but you can move it anywhere you want. Just drag the Product Pal block to position it perfectly, maybe right below your Buy It Now button, where questions pop up. Now, customers searching Google can get instant answers without leaving your product page. Perfect. Hit Save and Product Pal goes live. Back in your Dori dashboard, both widgets are active. And all your products are syncing. This can take from seconds to minutes to sync all your products. You're on a 14-day free trial. After that, you can choose either the Pro plan or the Early Adopter plan. Want to see Dori's impact? Click here anytime to view your full analytics. Influenced revenue, conversion lift, and your customers' most asked questions. Now, Dori works 24/7. Sidekick builds bigger carts with personalized guidance, while Product Pal catches high-intent searchers before they bounce. Less bounces, bigger orders, more confident buyers. Questions? We're here to help. Email us, join our community, or schedule a call. We want to see you succeed. That's it. Dori is live and ready to turn your traffic into revenue. Let's grow together.